Here's an interesting problem. Watch this when I power up this Osai operator panel. Takes a little while for the CRT to warm up. Look at the characters. They're diagonal. What's happened is the yoke on the back of the tube has come loose and rotated. Let me power down. We'll go to the back of this unit and you'll see that I can spin the yoke. Now let me try to set it top dead center and we'll see what it looks like when we power up. It's not quite right, but it's better. I'm going to get this as straight as I possibly can. Brighten up that contrast a little bit. It's kind of dim. And then I'm going to epoxy that yoke so it don't rotate. Well, isn't that an interesting problem? That'll be an easy fix. Some two-part epoxy to epoxy that yoke to the CRT. And she'll be good to go again. Alright all, have a good day. We'll see you in the next one.